Welcome back, everyone. It's Ruben with the Earth and Bloom channel. Today we're on the sawmill. It's been a little while, but we got a nice walnut log here. A little bit of a swoop at the end, but we'll cut this off to here and see how it slabs out. Probably gonna be pretty nice, especially at the end here, but we will see. I gotta go grab the chainsaw just to trim these off. We'll just time lapse the cut. And this is the mill. It's a lumberlite 24, just a small one, older model. Put a 21 horse Vanguard on it, so that's why you see the fuel tank strapped to the top. I still gotta build a tray for it, and we got our water over there and batteries right here. So all the fluids in the battery are on this, not on the head, and just the motor is on the head in the center. Alright, so let's get to cutting, see what this walnut turns out to be. Alright, it hasn't been started in a little bit. We'll see if there's any juice in it. Key is up there. Choke's over here. Alright. Right now. Well, we got a mouse. They move in quick. So we gotta take this cover off, get her cleaned up. We'll be back. Alright, I think we got all the mice dealt with. 3 of them are no longer with us. 4 actually, sorry. The 4 blind mice. No longer here. So let's see if we got good airflow now. Now that the mice are gone, we should have airflow. Yeah, we got airflow. Getting on a time lapse, we'll give this log nice stuff. See what it turns out to be. got some nice color in it. And a cool swirl at the end here. So what did we get out of that log? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 slabs. So 4 at 1.5 inches, and 1, it's a little wonky in the center, but it'll work. And we got 2 at 1.25 inches here, 1 at 1.25 inches here, 3 at 1.5 inches, 1 more at 1.5 inches there, and 1 at 1.25 inches there. So not bad out of just a scrapyard tree. But that's it for this one. She's an old sawmill. Not the best, but it does the job for now. Pretty happy with it. Don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons. We'll catch you in the next one.